In this tutorial, you'll learn how to set up the homepage in the Castello theme. Castello works best with a static page as your homepage. Let's start by creating a new page, but you can also use an existing page. Use a meaningful page title. I recommend that you include your property name and location. Welcome to our hotel is a bad title. Welcome to Castello Bed and Breakfast in Siena, Tuscany is a much better title. Add some text that describes your property. Don't forget to set a featured image for this page. If you have one great photo of your property, then this is a great opportunity to show it off. And finally, go to the reading page in the settings section. Change the homepage to display a static page and select your newly created page. And now your homepage is ready. We have separate video tutorials on how to add a slideshow instead of a single featured image, how to use the built-in block patterns, and how to manually change the layout of pages. Understanding these basic theme features will allow you to create a beautiful website that perfectly matches your needs. If all this sounds too difficult, you might be interested in our special professional setup package. You can visit our pricing page for information about our pricing plans and special packages. Please contact our support team if you have any questions.